Yes, and welcome this morning. Today I'm going to be giving us the steps that you can use to get very high score in the upcoming JAMB 2020. Now, first of all, you need to know about this website, www.jambwayeknecouni.com, www.jambwayeknecouni.com. Once you get to this website, by this right hand side of your screen, you're going to see different past questions for English, maths, then normal lesson for mathematics and every other subject that you have, comma, CRS. So anyone that you want to learn about, you can simply go and click on the subject. Then you'll be taught. After learning, you can click on the past question to revise. So let's say I come to chemistry, I can click on this chemistry here. So this chemistry is going to open up the school. You can see chemistry. So inside this chemistry, you can see all these topics in the syllabus. Number one is introduction to chemistry, followed by uses of chemistry, adverse effects of chemistry, careers in chemistry, nature of matter, elements and compounds, separation techniques. So all these lectures are done using the JAMB syllabus so that you can read them, listen to them and pass. So once you click on this, it will start playing. So I'm going to click on it now and let you listen. So this is the best place to prepare and get very high score in JAMB because everything is done there for you.
Chemistry is a pure science that deals with the composition, properties, and uses of matter. In our everyday life, we encounter chemistry, and that is why chemistry is very, very important for us to study. Chemistry is one of the pure sciences that we are supposed to study if we are to be right.
You see the way it's working. So it's not just chemistry, every other subject that you want is there on the site. So this is a very good site for you to study with if you want to get high grade in JAMB. Then another thing is that first make sure you go and get your national identity card number. Have that number so that when registration comes, you'll be able to register in time without any hitches. Because when you register in time, you will now afford yourself the opportunity to calm your nerves and practice with this our website, jambwayeknecouni.com. Now, apart from this website, you can also go to YouTube and type in Tclassified.com. Tclassified.com is a YouTube channel that is into training, lesson, tutorials that will help you to pass. So once you get to the Tclassified.com, click on playlist. Once you click on playlist, you're going to see a whole lot of things that will help you. Let's say for your JAMB, you can have your chemistry here, English, literature in English. Most of you have been asking me about literature in English. We have it. We have physics. So everything that you need to prepare for your JAMB and NECO, they are all in this Tclassified.com. So go there, including past questions. All the past questions in video form, they are solved. And we are constantly updating this YouTube and the website so that you can pass. Now, having studied well to pass, then the next thing is for you to make sure you register in time. When you register in time, you can register in any tutorial center near you, or you just focus on our online tutorial center. You can also call my number. This is my number so that I can add you up to the WhatsApp group where we train you every day. On the WhatsApp, we release most of the lectures we have here, put it there. Then we'll have quiz section where students do question and answering to help them prepare. So this is my number, +234 70671 62698. Once you chat me up on WhatsApp, I'll be able to add you up to our WhatsApp group so that you can be learning there in order for you to score very high. Now, after registering, when you go into the day of your exam, make sure you go to the hall very early. Make sure you arrive at the hall very, very early. It is very, very important so that you can be able to identify the difficulties that the center that you're writing, the difficulties that they are facing, and you know the best thing to do. Now, when you're writing, if you have any problem with your system, call the attention of the assistants, the technical assistant there, so that if they have to give you extra time, they will give you extra time. Now, if you're doing medicine, it's always good you start with biology. The simple subject is good you start with it, because if you go and start with the hard subject, it doesn't matter when, if you are not able to finish, you will not have any extra mark. So start with the subject that is easier for you, so that you can be able to finish that one in time and move on to the one that is a little bit difficult. Now, if you're in a subject and you're solving any question that you're not very sure of, leave it and go to the ones you're sure of. If you're starting from 1 to 10 and you find out that it's difficult, go back and start from 40, then be coming downwards to 30, so that you can be able to get as much questions as possible. So those are some of the things you need to do in order for you to score very high mark and get admission. If you have any questions and concerns, always drop them in the comment section so that I'll see them and answer you. Please like and share my videos so that your friends can see them. Also click the subscribe button. The subscribe button is very important, so that anytime I release any video that will help you, I'll constantly be giving you information and updates that will help you in the coming 2020 JAMB. We have good plans and great plans for you. Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon. That bell icon will enable you to get notification anytime we drop any video. Thank you and God bless you.